Okay guys, check out this setup, check out this, let's see this together. Okay, this is so sweet guys, this is so sweet. You can see this is just boom 1000 and we are on 5 minute time frame. You can see where we had our selling points right from here, and of course got to this level, and of course a buy order picked up from there also. Okay, this is the power of you having the right trading tool, because it will help you to be able to make money consistently on every trend. Okay, it is a trend trading tool. Okay, so that is the beautiful part of it. Don't worry, I'm going to explain all this to you so that you will know how to put it into use. For those that are having it, for those that are not having it, then of course you can make your comments within the comment section so that you will know how to get it. Okay, so this is very very important, or probably you contact me directly. Okay, that's the safest part. Okay, so you can contact me directly on WhatsApp, and of course I will be able to respond to you right from there. So quickly, let's see how we can go on with this guys. Let's see how we can go on with this. Before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online. Okay, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities shared in my videos, do your own personal research about it to know how it works, how you can make some cool cash with it, and if it is what you truly want to do before you go fully into it. Okay, so this is very very important. Okay, so this is 1000 5 minute time frame. Remember, you need to practice very well for you to understand how these work. Okay, like I've always been telling you, these are trend trading assets. Okay, they are trend trading assets. Once you understand this, then what you should look out for each time you are going to trade is to understand the trend of the market at that particular point. Okay, this is 5 minute time frame, and of course this has gotten around here, it has gotten to the resistance zone. So definitely once a trade like this got to the resistance zone, then there are two major things you should be looking for. Okay, and the first one, which is more important at this point, is the CIT. Okay, is the CIT strategy. Okay, so that's the most important thing right now. Okay, and of course the reason is that is what we expect to happen around here. Okay, and of course if it does not happen, then that is when you will be considering the second strategy, which is going to be BRO. Okay, the BRO strategy. Okay, so this is very very important, but the CIT should be the first one to look into, I mean to check out before thinking of the BRO. Okay, so this is very very important. Okay, so this actually gave us a downtrend signal around there, which is confirming our CIT, and it gave us a sell signal, and I think this is a good confirmation for us. If we had placed an order around here, and of course we need to set our SL, which is the stop loss, at the tip of the resistance zone around here. And of course if the market picked up from there, and sorry, I love using different colors for each of them. Okay, so this is very very important. Okay, so if the market picks up from here and just the way it is, and so till this region spiked up again, almost getting to your entry point, and of course went back there again. So far it didn't get to your stop loss, you are good. Okay, so you can always trade this market to the very end. Okay, some people will tell you, what if you miss this order? Okay, you can wait for another sell to pop up around there. If it does not, you look for when it has a pullback, and of course you come in around there again. For instance, around there you can come in around here, or probably you come in around here to sell. Okay, just that you will know that you will have to be very careful, because the sell might not be as long as it should be before. Okay, so this is very very important. At this stage I don't expect you to to remain to leave the stop loss right here. So you should be claiming some part of the profit at this point. Okay, so you can just put it here to claim some part of the profit, and of course as this is going down, you will be claiming some part of the profit, locking it up. Okay, you lock them up. Okay, so make sure you lock enough up. Okay, so that is how it works. So this is for a sell signal. You can see till the very end, it helps you. The advantage of this opportunity is with this particular strategy and trading tool, you will always be in profit all the time. Okay, you can easily make 50, 100 or even $1,000 on daily basis. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, and of course check it out. After the selling period, okay, it got to this support zone, was unable to break out from here. You should understand that we should be having a CIT strategy or a BRO around here, but CIT first, and of course it didn't break out, so definitely CIT strategy is what we should be looking out for. And of course you check it out, we got our buy signal around there, uptrend signal around there, and of course it started buying, and it bought and kept on buying and buying till it got to the resistance zone. Okay, right now we are on sell signal again, so you can see you will always be in profit all the time if you use this strategy. Okay, so I will leave you to this strategy. If you are having the trading tool, very good for you. If you are not, then you can link up with me on WhatsApp and discuss how you can get one for yourself. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, I will be stopping right there. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.